ethanol crude or what?
This is fucking SPD end waste, bro. But it's unwinterized SPD wind. If you wanna look inside, but so we just got it hot to about, I wanna say, oh really? My battery fucking just died. Oh.
It can go a little bit faster, but the compressor doesn't keep up.
Right.
Keep filling the fucker up, huh? As much as I can.
Just wait,
Right on.
because that material is really thick. I don't know how fast the paper is gonna bind.
Right.
So it takes a lot of fluid to build the reservoir on the bottom and to get through the pipes.
Right.
Takes some time to start.
So once this thing starts pumping fluid through, it goes faster?
Yes,
Yeah, I figured. So it's basically just priming right now.
primary. And it's also working its way because it has a slow bottom, but it takes a few, milliliters to actually fill up.
And it's a self-priming pump?
Yeah. Just 3 minutes to prime.
Well, hold on, let it do a couple Did you get like all the way out? Not yet, not yet.
Get it fully primed. We can measure the flow rate with the beaker as well.
Is the head too big?
Just pump it down.
It doesn't matter. It'll work its way up or down or wherever.
Yeah, definitely.
You really
Blow off the end right there.
probably. And also remember how thick this stuff is, right? This is like really pasty. So what solution is this? 4 to 1? 5 to 1?
Probably, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but the idea is then you can use less ethanol, and then you don't have as much time in the roto.
Right,
I'd rather
right.
sit here than in
Right,
the roto.
right.
Cheaper.
Yeah, this might be slower, but it's faster than with overall
Right,
with the rotor. I get you.
So adding more or not yet?
Plenty there still.
Go to 1,000. Pretty damn close. Minute 10 on that.
So 60 liters a minute or something like that. Maybe 55. And what is this material exactly?
It's literally just mostly fat.
Cooked fats. Like,
Cooked fats.
yeah, so unwinterized wind in the short fat. This was what was left in the boiling flask. So polymerized fats, plasticky, weird. When they get cold, they turn into a brick.
Alright, you guys want to help me get the sodas back in the bucket? Be careful with heavy. Probably from the other side.
Yeah, come get that.
And just turn it off for a second. There you go.
Ouch. It's a big difference, to be honest with you.
Oh, it's fucking nasty in that one.
This is some of the worst shit that nobody's gonna know.
So the medium one, I've seen it do 50 gallons per hour, but it's a different solution than this, of course. So this one I would expect to do 100 gallons an hour or something like that on just a 10 to 1, you know, 5
So right now,
fast.
right now with this 5 to 1 stuff, if it's going as fast as how it's going, we calculated that's about 16 gallons.
16 gallons an hour.
What are you doing on straight solvent? You must have done a straight solvent test on it.
Yeah,
So with just straight ethanol, what does it pull on?
26 gallons a minute.
26 gallons a minute with straight ethanol.
Yeah,
So that can show you the...
That's the capacity of this pump.
yeah.
Okay, so there's straight solvent, it should pull through 26 gallons a
Yeah.
minute. And we just got the resistancy of the cake. How big a cake can you do?
As big as you want,
As
really.
big as you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the cake is going to help, of course, at preventing the paper from binding. So it just creates like a 3D surface area, right? Where all of these fats can be suspended before they get to the... So it's -5. Okay, and what's the wall at?
I have no idea what the hell that is. Anyway, this was stuff that was unwinterized crude, first pass run, and then this is all the crap that was left in the boiling flask after the run. So that stuff, and it's 5 to 1 ratio here with alcohol. So this stuff is really thick. I mean, crude typically with crude 10-1 is what I would recommend. This is the if this is even crude, right? This is probably the nastiest crude that you've ever seen in your life. And it's only diluted to 5-1, and this thing is still chewing through it. Probably good for your skin.
Yeah. Get it on your face, get your lady to put it on her face.
And I mean, and okay, all that other stuff is fine. Here's the thing: this thing was never actually, this crude wasn't ever actually allowed to sit, precipitate fat. We dumped a bunch of dry ice in here, which is a big no-no, and it creates, and it's a no-no because it creates all these like micro fats due to the carbonation. And yeah, I mean, this is fucking gross. We're gonna pause for a second, guys.
Some crazy shit.
I'm not gonna go live, but actually, yeah, I think we should go live
So
just
if
for
there
a
was,
second.
all I will suggest, if there was a way, there was handles, and we could now, once this is done, pull up that keg rather than scraping, that would make the reusability of the machine a lot better.
What is this, like an inch of fat?
Oh yeah. And, he's like, what are you giving me to work with? It's pure fats.
This isn't fast, man. It's like fucking clay, dude. It's like
This is clay. I mean, look how...
this is like polymerized fucking plastic clay.
So, that's how thick it is. That's my finger, that's how thick it is. What is that, an inch?
Yeah, I mean, it is fucking disgusting. In fact, you know what we should do? Is change, well, actually, can we pour more on here? Will it
Yes.
continue going?
Yeah, but I mean, it seems pretty bound. I mean, how can you filter anything through an inch of fat?
That's
Right,
you
it's
got a
kind
good
of
point.
complicated.
So that was DE, right?
That was the...
Yeah.
So what's the next step here? Now that we're determined that we got no more in there, can we pour clean ethanol in there to kind of rinse it out?
Yes.
Should we do that right now?
Yes.
Okay. Look at all that shit.
Oh, you can see the DE there. Very good.
And that's the filter paper. It's crazy.
But you can really see the layer of DE that was left over.
Yeah, and the filter paper's pretty clean actually. So you would like to wash it or wash it?
No, you get rid of the filter paper, but that's the whole point, right? That the diatomaceous earth really helps prevent the paper from binding. And that's why this is important for the process.
Yeah, for
See?
sure.
Look, the paper is fine.
Now, diatomaceous earth versus like, have you seen Summit's silica pulver product? Have you ever seen it up in close?